It's a post-pandemic summer, and with that comes several psychological issues which persons will now have to deal with. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this week's edition of the Health Report.
Summer is a time of the year when persons have the freedom to engage in fun activities with family and friends. But consultant psychiatrist Dr. Geoffrey Walcott says this summer may not be like others. He says with Jamaica coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, there are economic issues and general unease following the announcement that the country recorded its first monkeypox case.
Persons are under psychological stress, and so it's a difficult time, and that can in fact cause people to end up with some form of anxiety, increased depressive symptoms, and of course, I'll never forget, post-traumatic stress disorder, because we've been traumatized by going through this pandemic for 2 years. And now with this particular trigger of a new infection on the horizon, a lot of persons might find that they are having symptoms of PTSD.
Therefore, it is important to recognize when you're having a problem early and seek help quickly.
Some of the things that you can use to tell whether or not something is happening, basic changes in the way you behave, or the way you're doing things. Sleep is one of the earliest symptoms that you can actually use to tell that something is happening both physically or psychiatrically or psychologically. Because once your sleep pattern changes, it means that there's something happening. And if it persists for over a week or 2 weeks, then it may be a sign, an early sign, that you need to actually check out what's going on.
The psychiatrist is also encouraging persons to take care of their mental health by also eating healthy and staying physically active.
Exercise really deals with a lot of physical and mental challenges. Exercise has been shown to be as effective as medication in dealing with depressive symptoms, and it's not something like Olympic training. Really, what we require is probably 30 to 45 minutes of walking a day. The consistency is more important than the intensity.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.